opening it and I already hurt my nail because I tried opening it. Hello beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel. It has been about 2 to 3 weeks that I have not uploaded a video, but it feels like more than 2 to 3 years because I was so used to be on a schedule for the summer that I would just upload anytime I want, but now it's school and I've been so busy, especially the past few weeks have been homecoming stuff. So I have the homecoming play, which I was in, so I had practice for that and everything, so I didn't really have time. And then it was homecoming week, then we did float building, and it was the homecoming day, which I didn't really film because, I don't know, it was really chaotic. And it's my senior year, so I'm having to do college stuff, FAFSA, all that amazing stuff. But I finally have time to do a video. But I've actually had this video, like the main thing I had done. I did it, I opened it because it's actually from Happy Bunny Club. I got it from Happy Bunny Club, and I did a opening and kind of like a test taking, oh my gosh, taste testing, oh my gosh, taste testing with Fiji to see how she liked it. And she really liked the food part. The chewing part she kind of liked, but she liked the food more, which I would too if I was a bunny. But anyways, guys, I feel so bad because I have not uploaded in so long. I'm so sorry. Anyways, guys, before we get into this video that I have already pre-filmed, so I'm in different clothes and everything, so don't look at that. But before we get into that, hi guys, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name's Rachel. Welcome to my channel. Here we do absolutely everything from bunny to fashion to skincare. Enjoy. If you're not already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down there somewhere. I think it's like right there, the big red button. I would love if you did that. You guys are amazing and just like legit amazing. And second, make sure you comment whatever you feel like commenting. Make sure it's all positive because we only do positive vibes here. And make sure you like this video so I know that you like this video, and maybe I'll do more. And so yeah, let's get right into this video. Oh, it has like pink fluffy. Okay, so they gave me I don't know if you guys can see this very well. They gave me a letter and it has a buddy stamp on it. That is so freaking cute. Let me get this in the shot. So they gave me this letter that has a bunny stamp on it. Look, okay. Look at that little bunny stamp. That's so cute. It's so cute. So I am going to open this to see what they have said to me. I'm going to open it from the top. I need scissors. I got these tiny little scissors. I need to cut open. This is so cute. I thought I was only going to do this one time because it was kind of pricey. But after all this cute stuff, I think I might be going for another round. So I finally got it open. Let's see what they got to say. Look at this beach. Happy Bunny Club. September Bunny Fact. Did you know there are at least 48 different rabbit breeds, with some saying as high as 60 breeds. Ooh. 1. Open and discover what's inside. 2. Take pictures and share with friends. 3. Watch your happy bunny. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Charity of the month. Our charity of the month is Vancouver Rabbit Rescue and so it tells you the charity of the month where the money goes to. It goes to Vancouver Rabbit Rescue. And then it tells you all of the ingredients in the box, so you know it's safe. And then there's a letter from the team down here that says, "We should like to thank you for all the lovely feedback we received on last month's box, and to all those that shared photos of their bunnies regarding August box." So basically it just says all the cute stuff, and they're so nice and they're so sweet. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Happy Bunny Club. That's so cute. She'd rather be chewing on this random piece. It's in your hair. Jeez Louise. Oh my goodness gracious. Fiji. Come look at this stuff. Wowzers. Oh my gosh. This is so much more than I expected it would be. Oh my gosh. So they sent me this huge toy. It's the boredom breaker. And it's all natural. Everything's natural. Here. Yes, and thank you. Thank you. She's so excited. So this is all natural, and it's amazing because I've been wanting to get her new toys but can never find ones that are decent. And this is amazing. Wow. And then there's a little hanger at the top. She'd rather chew on the packaging than the actual stuff. Yeah. Or the edible things, but I think it's edible. Okay, so the next I got these big balls. This one's just a wire one, this one looks like more of a ropish one, and this one just looks like a bunch of, oh, you can see them. This one is just like a bunch of them bended together, and basically you can see what they look like. Open them. They feel really nice, very sturdy, and they smell very woodish. Fiji. She's chewing on it. Okay. Do you like your ball? These she will definitely like, and it will give her boredom. No, it will not give her boredom. It will give her something to do when she's bored. Ooh, ooh. She's already chewed it off right here. Look at this one. Do you like this one? You like this one? Now you're interested. And there's some more boredom breakers. These are just little fruits. I need to like this up a little bit more. These are just little fruits, grapes, banana, apple, and oranges, and they're just something they can chew on. These are so nice. She needed more of these, but I could never find decent ones, and I'm so glad I found these. And this is all natural. The paint or anything that's on here will not hurt her, which I'm worried that the ones from the pet store will, because the pet store doesn't really know a lot about rabbits. On to the food part. So they sent me 3 bags of edible treats that I could give her, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to give her these. This is a flower garden. A blend of dried flowers provide fiber to increase digestion. This blend of flowers adds variety to the diet as well as providing natural vitamins and minerals. Oh my gosh, guys. Ah. I know she'll love this. Oh, it smells so good. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, don't pull up. She likes it. Come here. So it's just a bunch of dried flowers. Here. Here. Yummy. You like flowers. Here. You want the rest of this? I'm sorry. Hey. Beachy, look at it. I think it's because I'm bothering her. She doesn't want to eat in front of the camera. She's camera shy. Come here. So this is the Woodland salad. A blend of leaves loved by all rodents. Birch leaves have anti-inflammatory properties. Nettle. Pretty sure it's nettle. Improves liver function and digestive health. This is a woodland salad. This just looks like a bunch of leaves. But it also looks like something she would eat. Come here. Come here. You would rather eat out of the bag? Huh? That's my nail. Come here. Come here. Look. Look. Now she's just being a brat. You smell it. It smells good. She made a mess, but she pulled all this out. And then last but not least, I got these Naturals, 100% natural tasty goods in perfect treat size proportions. By leaving out starch grains, it means we can pack in more great herbs, vegetables, and nutrient seeds. A mix of 4 great flavors: dandelions, beetroot, carrot, and mixed herbs, perfect for rabbits, guinea pigs, chinchillas, and degus. D-E-G-U-S. Degus. Degus. You need to snap. Come here, you want one of these? Can you open it? And look how pretty the packaging. Seriously. She'd rather chew on cardboard. Try this. That. Leave this. Try this. She can't get it in her mouth. Did you get? Here, how about I hold it for you? Here, how about I hold it for you? No. No, let me hold it for you. Let me hold it for you. Here. No. Yummy. Oh, did you get a bite? Yummy. Yummy. Are you getting bites? Doesn't really look like it. It's right here. Okay, here. Oh. And she said, I think she got a few bites of it.